let us open the Power BI dashboard. You can download the Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store or Microsoft.com. Download Power BI desktop. That's it. Once I open the Power BI dashboard, you will see blank report, one like catalog, Excel workbook, SQL Server, learn with sample data, get from other sources. So let us click on blank report. Once I click on blank report, you see the home page of Power BI desktop will look like this. There will be three panes available in the Power BI dashboard, which we will work. First is data pane. The data which we insert here using the get data, the data will come up here. Using that data, we will click make visualizations. Clicking on the visualization pane, and this is the filter pane which is used to search the data from the dashboard itself. Okay, so these are three panes in the Power BI. Let us insert some data and work. So I'm inserting Excel workbook. I have sample HR data worksheet. So we will have two options to insert the data into Power BI. One is load and the other one is Power Query Editor. Sorry, transformation. So I'll show you one moment. So click on get data, Excel workbook, then click on sample HR data. This HR data sample I'll provide it in the description of this video. You can practice it. You see, there are 7 tabs in this HR data. We will call it as sheets, not tabs. My mistake. So you'll see the details in each of the sheet. As when I click on country sheet, you see country ID, country name, region ID. When I click on department sheet, you'll see department name, department ID, location ID. When I click on dependents, you will see dependent ID, first name, last name of the dependent, relationship, and employee ID. Employees sheet, when we click, you see employee ID, first name of the employee, last name of the employee, then email address of the employee. Job, you see job ID, job title, minimum salary, maximum salary. When I click on locations, here you see there is a blank uh, row. So we need to transform this data. The transformation means cleaning the data and to remove the blank values and to remove errors. If the data here, as we checked all the like sheets, the data is perfect. Just in the locations sheet, we see there is a missing value or null value. We just need to remove that. So we can just uncheck all the sheets and just we can focus on this sheet which is having the blank value. So we need to use the transform data option whenever there are duplicate values or null values or blank rows in order to correct it. So I am just clicking on filter and removing a blank value. There is a Power Query editor. The page takes us to once we click on transform data, which we did in the last option. So we see that the data is good now. Just click on close and apply. So once you do that, the data is getting loaded. Yes. So you will see the data here, the cleaning data. Okay. So it is already loading the location sheet. So let us go ahead and insert the other data as well. HR data I'm inserting. We already inserted location, so no need to reinsert that. Just insert all the six. So we are inserting the six sheets here now. You see all the sheets has been entered here, inserted in the data pane. Before we move forward, I'll show you the page layout, how we can make changes to this background of this canvas. We'll call it, this section is canvas, and there are three panes here: data pane, visualization, and filters pane. You see canvas background. We can change this background. As you see, it is a milky white background. I want to change it. We can change it. We can just add one picture from our computer. You see, these nothing has changed because the transparency 100. We need to, we can lower the transparency. The clearer the picture will see. Page information and our settings. The page is of 16:9, so let us make it custom. It is a bit smaller, so let us make it as 19. And this can become very useful also. Just increasing the size. No, this looks better. If possible, we'll change it to 990. Yes, this is looking good. So this is the background of the canvas we changed to the picture which we like. Now let us start to create visualizations. There is a build visualization option. Once you click on it, you will see all the visualization graphs: stack bar chart, stack column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% bar chart. So many of them here. So the most frequently used is clustered column chart. So let us select it. Okay, I select it and I covered the page. Let us create visualization. I'm just selecting the country ID and country name here and dropping into the x-axis. In the y-axis, I want to drop the employee details. This is a numeric sheet which is showing as sigma. Let us click on the region and the region here. The X on region in the Y. So you see, we have created a nice visualization on the y-axis. Vertical will be the y-axis and horizontal will be the x-axis. Okay. So you see in the horizontal x-axis, country name we selected, and the y-axis we selected count of department ID, count of first name, count of email, count of job ID. Okay. So these are the countries in which this many employees are working. So like this, you can create visualizations. We selected this as a pie or donut chart. We can select it as pie chart as well. So you see why we call it as interactive visualization in Power BI, because when we click on um, the color of the region, we'll see in the details. So this is the interaction. When I click on the like particular section, you see all the details under it. We are back to report. I hope this tutorial is helpful to understand how to create visualizations in Power BI. Next, we'll learn about table view, model view, DAX, which is very important in Power BI, and last TMDL. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.